Many developers use exec and spawn interchangeably in Node.js, but choosing the wrong one could crash your production app when handling large outputs. Let's break down the critical differences. The fundamental difference is how they handle data. Spawn streams data through Stout and Stare in real time, sending chunks as they arrive. Exec, on the other hand, buffers the entire output in memory and delivers it all at once through a callback. This means Spawn returns a child process object immediately, giving you access to streams, while exec waits until the process finishes and hands you the complete buffered result. Here's the catch. Exec has a default max buffer limit of 200 kilobytes. If your command produces more output than that, you'll get a max buffer exceeded error and your process will fail. So when should you use each? Use Spawn for large outputs or long-running processes like video encoding, log tailing, or database dumps. Since it streams data, you can process it incrementally without running out of memory. Use exec for quick commands with small, predictable output like checking a file's existence or running a simple script where you just need the final result. One more thing, exec spawns a shell by default, which means you can use shell features like pipes and wildcards directly. Spawn does not use a shell unless you explicitly pass the shell option. This makes Spawn slightly faster and more secure, but less convenient for complex shell commands. Remember, choose Spawn for streaming and long-running processes, exec for quick commands with small output. Practice with both to master Node.js child processes. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.